So, Jamaica, at the podcast, it's shot. Yo, right now we have a lot of things to talk about. Right now, we see which part it go viral when Mr. Vegas address the whole situation about Royal Boss and Vado. Who more famous? What the bigger star? Right? So, make we address this right quick, real quick. We know say, Cartel, for some reason, are the ultimate market genius. So make we just start it off right there. So with that said, we don't know say everything Cartel do or say is like a trend in a dancehall. Vada is like a more, you know what I mean, him not really too show up him thing like that. You see me? Vada is like more keep to himself, like him not really too show up him thing like as you can see. Them I say, you never really see. I'm really think about it and I check the internet. I really see no live stream with Vada like, Vada always keep him thing on a level. Yeah. But Cartel now, may I tell you, say Cartel personality now. See, you get back to personality. You see me? Cartel have a energy there, where may I tell you, say, the youth them gravitate to worldwide. Worldwide. And not just dancehall audience alone, as we say, worldwide. Every genre, every known source of people on the planet can tell you, say, them know about Gaza music represented by Vybz Kartel. So if that not tell you something, you see, because a lot of artists, famous, or we say famous, them famous regional, the man named Royal Boss, you see me? And not for take nothing away from Vado. Vado, an international world star as well. You understand? But the only thing difference was Cartel was like actively posting stuff continuously. You know what I mean? When them a talk about him bills, or him a show some tattoo, or do some drama, him a promote some in music, and you know what I mean? And him just real intelligent, and the way him go about doing thing, you know what I mean? He reach a wide audience of people in a no time. Everybody has said Gaza. So we also see which part Foota hype forward and a bonfire. Is it? Foota hype actually burn out a song what they we Cartel do too. Is it? But nevertheless, a music, you know it go. But right now Foota hype I say, the artists them, like some of the artists them remember say, music are one of the most influential thing. Like it just get in your system, in your brain, and it not leave. Is it? So what I must say is like a big responsibility there upon the artist them side of the thing. Especially the artists them we above a certain age bracket where you should have been a more conscious state of mind, basically. See it? So that's a Foota hype address. I'm wanting to drop it in the comment section. If that's wrong, if you say you have protect the kids, that's actually super right. You understand me? So beard do I go on. So when Foota hype basically I say still some of the things them where the man them are saying at the song them need to build. Is it? Try to put some more substance in the song them way can more benefit the younger generation. Basically. That's what we're headed for right now. You see, the youth them, you see Muta even forward and him a say boy, like him go place and a conference, and the youth them never know too much about Marcus Garvey. When him ask a question, but them never, all the teacher them have to take out them phone. You see it? So that basically show you say people scan and dip and dabble in a war. Not really make sense half the time. And the things them are really beneficial to people. People like really just swipe past it, not really show like interest. You have to have some hype to the thing. You see it? Yeah. It too clean, too perfect, boring. You understand? Somebody business have to inner scandalous things have to go on, be a drama, name calling and sin. If people really say, alright, I go on it some, but I just saw things set. But right now still, we not get off a track with this thing. We Foota hype really I deal with still. See? In that farm there, respect that speech there still. You see it? Because we have to protect the younger generation. Because we Foota hype I say it's like a song, a specific song him did that speak on and I say, boy, if an artist I got a drop certain rhyme and I say, boy, you want you know catty eye and blind her and Ray and be a thing and I say, boy. So Jamaica, when you know say I saw the music thing setting on the younger generation them don't want to hear certain things and even I can't blame this on the younger generation. You have people who just refuse to grow up and accept them responsibility as an adult and know say certain things only cool when you're a certain age bracket. When you pass certain age bracket and you start have kids of your own, you have to start set an example within your own household first. You see it? So yeah, they say there. And most time, you know it all go them must say, you know, parents have to control them household as well, which is correct. But at the same time, and the parents them I make the music. And whether the parents them are run them household correct or not, the music I go still get listened. You understand? I just simply that. And you can't stop an artist from do him craft or that I feed him and him family. You see it? So I just them thing there. But at the same time, artists do the thing in the right way. You see it? And then have to go extremely slack. Just keep it on a pattern where everybody can have fun and everybody can listen to your thing and your thing can play everywhere. Cause that's the main thing. Get your music if you can play everywhere. Instead, just run the corner there so. We need some more music for your pass out at airport, man. You see it? And I land in some different regions, and some continent and some place. You see it? Cause if the man them are gonna keep the thing so basically, you gotta just have some basic artists. We're not gonna improve reggae and dancehall thing. See, Bob Marley still up there on the throne, you know. Nobody still can move that throne there, you know. So, it's necessary to do some good music and put back reggae and dancehall on top of the charts with for that. Remember, say, a reggae and dancehall, right? Every genre study and get great. Think about it. I saw Jamaica. Share the content. Big up on yourself. Subscribe. Boom. Shot in.